Dude, I think you got a warrant for your arrest right now, buddy. We're gonna check. You got a or like I think it was a tampering.
Let me make sure.
Today's video shows another smooth arrest by Columbus police officers. The star of today's show is going to be Mr. Aaron Leslie, who had felony warrants for weapons under disability, which means that while being a felon, he was caught with a firearm. His other felony warrant was for tampering with evidence. So Mr. Aaron Leslie, come on down. You are the next contestant on Smooth Arrest by Columbus police officers.
Making sure we stay safe around here.
Yeah, something like that. You know it's been lately, man.
Yeah, I talked to you before, didn't I?
Yeah, we talked before. Where did I talk to you last? That was. Shoot, what was your name, Aaron? Aaron.
I'm like, shit, good, man.
Yeah. Hey, Aaron. Dude, I think you got a warrant for your arrest right now, buddy. We're gonna check. You got a or like I think it was a tampering.
Let me make sure. Okay.
Tampering. Yeah. We'll double check, but 95% certain you got a warrant right now, bud.
Is this his phone?
Okay.
Is this his phone?
Yeah, it's his phone.
If you want to take a seat for a second, we'll figure it out real quick right now.
With what?
It was.
No, we just.
Someone said, yeah, we were looking for someone else, but it was Aaron Leslie, right?
Yeah.
Aaron Leslie.
So I do got a warrant?
Yeah, you do, Aaron. Yeah, we can walk him back.
Young males,
all right.
2 females trying
Aaron, I appreciate it. We'll try and take care of you, though, buddy.
One is in black. Black shirt, gray shorts. One is in blue.
Yeah, we'll walk you back this way, buddy.
Black black orange shorts. Chopper 1003, chopper to 3.
Evidence.
Yeah, that's what I think it showed for. It came across our desk. I don't know out of what, though, to be honest with you.
Hey, Chopper, headed over to Westwood Middle School there at
Yeah, I don't know. It might have been an old case. I don't know. It just came across our desk. We're looking for someone else, honestly. We're looking for Savage, but yeah, I remember yours came across, too.
What type of tampering with evidence?
Yeah, I'm not sure, buddy. Honestly, I couldn't tell you. Might be easily enough just to talk to a judge and get it sorted out.
Is it a felony?
I don't know. It just came out like they list. Sometimes they'll tell us warrants in the area, and they're like, hey, if you see this person, then you know they've got an active warrant. I'm
going through jail.
Well, I think so, but we'll double check real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure these cuffs aren't too tight first. 84. We're gonna have to go 350.
Right? So I can tell you what we are.
From here,
so we get picture taken. That's also detected. Charged with corruption. Okay.
193.
Right. That's all we got right now. No such. More information.
Yeah, well, they'll be able to answer the question when you talk to them too, and they know more than I do, man.
Go ahead.
We'll try and make this as painless as possible. Alright, I'm gonna grab that real quick. I'm gonna step down once you lose anything. Just ready to feet for me, please.
She's ready to feed, sir.
Sorry, I appreciate you, man. Listen, we'll be respectful to you. You're gonna be treated well. I can't. They just said you had a warrant, you know. You haven't been in trouble in forever, you know what I mean? It's not like it's a common thing. You actually seem like you're a pretty good dude. You seem like a good dude last time, too. Is the Newport piece just trash, or what is that?
There's like a number on it or something.
All right, we'll take it with your stuff. It's all right, man. Watch your head getting in, okay? All right, Jeff, I'm gonna pass this belt to you, okay? Here.
Radio to 158.
All right. Oh, I get it. I'm just gonna buckle them up while I got the door open.
S15, we could copy on 100 Cruiser District 158. Need your help for a 1132 Hairway Lane. It's off of Plumway Drive. Is this the phone?
That's your tampering. We got him. Aaron Leslie. Yeah, that's who we have. Yep. So we're gonna bang out a paper and we can run through ID. Do you want us to like take him up to the interview room, or where do you want him to go? Okay. So, do you want ID first? Yeah. ID and fit. You guys need a CCH. You probably already have all that, right? Okay. ID and fifth and a CCH. Got it. All right, we're on our way.